So today I want to show you how you can be able to use AI to do a render. You see, like this one. The AI tool called Nano Banana to do the render for it. The design I did draw it myself, so that you have to know the design, you have to draw it yourself. Once you draw the design, then you have something like this. You can be able to take it to Nano Banana and get like trial renders of how they look like. The best way to go about it, if you don't want to suffer later on with like consistency when you're trying to do different shots and you want to get different consistency, is to make sure that you have done the landscaping yourself. That way it becomes easier. But for now, of course, I'm going to show you how you can do it and how you can try to generate some sort of like some sort of consistency renders from a different angle. So I'd already I already have a screenshot of this, but how you go about it, you just take a screenshot of your image. You take a screenshot of your image like this, and the tool that I'm going to use is Nano Banana. So one thing that you have to know is Nano Banana is for image generation, and it's not really for rendering. There's a special AI tool for rendering. It's called Gendo, and the guys from Gendo did reach out to me some time back when I made a video about the AI tool. Back then it used not to be that great, so I made a video about it, talking about it, and they reached out and they also showed me some of the mistakes that I was doing with my rendering style. And for now they have advanced the tool. It looks much better, nicer, more advanced, better renders and all that, and we're gonna try it later and also compare it with Nano Banana to see which one is better. But because Gendo is specifically for rendering, it will be able to do you more consistent photos. But I want to show you a trick that you can be able to use in like Nano Banana to try and get some more consistent models. So for you to get to Nano Banana, you just open Google. You open Google, then you Chrome, that is Chrome, then you can go to say gemini.google.com. and for me, because I've used it a number of times, I'm using it through Gemini. But you can also get just Nano Banana specifically through their AI. I think it's called AI whatever alphabet or something, where you get the AI tool. That way you have to pay for it money for you to use it, but somehow expensive a little bit, I'm not that sure. But if you're here, you can be able to use it for free with the first option, but also they give you about 2 months for you to use it. For me, I'm using a pro version, and I think I have a link. I don't know if I used the link, but I'll try to see. I used to have a link where I can invite about 4 people to use it for 4 months for free. I'll try to see if I still have a link. Then I can share with some few people. I doubt if it's still on, but I used to have it. I think I've gave 1 or 2 people. I don't know if it's still working. Then you can use it pro version for 4 days, 4 months, that is. So let me begin. First of all, I'll not talk a lot. I want to keep this to be short. There's a screenshot which I've taken. So the guys from Gendo, what they told me is, if you have this screenshot, you first of all make sure you edit it. So I'm using the Photos app on Windows. It's called Photos, I think, the name of the app. So I click on edit. Then if you don't know how to crop an image, this is how you do it. Let me shorten this one. Then I come to, I'm using this one, is cropping, or you can use any other way that you know how to crop an image. You don't want this other information to get into it, because it confuses the AI tool on how to handle some of the specific data. So then you just save it. You can save on the original, or sometimes if you want, you can save as a copy. So let me save as a copy and say tutorial. Okay, say tutorial to make it easier. So once I have it, I go back to, it's calling me, I go back to Nano Banana. I go back to Gemini, and you're going to use Nano Banana. So if you're on Gemini, like here, you want to click on tools, then you go to create images. Create image, this we call Nano Banana for you, and you click on this, then you upload the file. So the file today is called tutorial. Here it is. I bring it on, and I can type some stuff here like make this. So I've rendered this thing before. Like I said, this was back then 2026 January, maybe January or Feb, when I did the render for this way back. Yeah, so if I want to have exact whatever looking exact the same way like this, I've used the same image and tell it to use the same rendering style, lighting and whatever of this image. But for now, I'm just assuming that you're just coming here, you don't have anything, you just want to render. Like I said, if you have a specific rendering style that you want to use, you've seen it already online, you just download that image. Once you download it, you upload the two images. Like I've uploaded this one, I can upload another second image. So then the second image, I'll tell the AI that I want you to do the render of the first image, like using the same rendering style as of the second image. You see, sometimes it makes it easier for you. But this one's just plain. Say you've just taken a screenshot, you've uploaded it, and you want to get something. So let me paste. I'm pasting the image. I thought I'd copied a prompt. Copying a prompt is easier than for me to come and type here. So let me grab this prompt here. So I went and copied a different prompt, a prompt from another program. I find it to be easier than typing, so that I don't take a lot of time. It says generate a professional architectural render of this image provided. Yeah. Make the roof to be box profile. So like I want the roof to be box profile, because right now you see it's just plain. I want the roof to be box profile, and let me go on. Make the roof to be box profile, charcoal gray iron sheets. Let me add here, make the fascia board to be white in color. Or I can also tell it any shade of white will do. Then the walls are made of freshly varnished timber, but retain the stone cladding as seen in the image. Retain the separation. My spelling was wrong here. Separate, man, how do you else mess up separation between the timber wall and the cladding to be white as it is. So basically, let me show you in the image here again. Basically, I want this material here to be retained, and I also want stone cladding and this upper side to be timber. And if I want, in this case, I also forgot to, like I say, add a good landscaping to it. So a good landscaping, like if you want to have consistent image, make sure you have designed everything, all the colors here in ArchiCAD. You have the colors, you have everything. You have landscaping as well. When you do that and you take it to AI for rendering, it will be very easy to get consistent images. But of course, I'm going to try to also show you how to try, but it won't be as good. Then I hit end. Sorry. So for me, I'm supposed to use Pro version. I don't know if the first version will do a good thing like a Pro one. I can just, I think I can stop responding, but let's continue and see. So sometimes I use it to generate, like this one is called an architectural brief, and I was recording this video in a different version, and I did upload an architectural brief, and it gave me something pretty cool. Let me see here, let me show you. It gave me better than what I'm trying to get here. I think it was this one. No, not this one. But here we are. It looks nice. I'm going to show you the architectural brief in a few minutes. It looks nice. Looks better than even the model I'd shown you. Except here, maybe, sorry. Except here. So you can again prompt it to change it, and maybe I might want this whatever to be black in color, like the window panes, yeah. But I think I try to make another one which is more detailed later. For now, I just wanted to show you something simple that you can do, but you can just add here, like say, let me just add it anyway because I'm already talking. I can say make the window frames. Is it window frames? Like these frames on the window. Make the window frames to be black in color. Retain. You don't have to tell it retain. This is Nano Banana. Make the window frames to be black in color. And that was Nano Banana, not the Pro one. It was the first one, but the Pro one is much better, gives you better results. Make the window frames. Is it window frames? I think they are frames. Make the window frames to be black in color. Then I can say generate. So basically, if I like this image, I will click on download, then it will download high quality. And I want to show you how you can do away with this here. It's called logo for Nano Banana. I was showing you an architectural brief that he did for me just a while ago. So I did upload it, just a PDF. You click and then you upload a file like a PDF of an architectural brief about a project, and it was amazing the way he did it. I think this is in 2020. It generated even the cost of estimate cost of doing this all work. Like it said that the total cost will be about 830k to Kenyan shillings to 1.1 million Kenyan shillings, which I found it to be somehow impressive. The first time I did with it, it never gave me this much information, but all these other things it retained like as it was in the previous one, and it gave me way more information, and even gave me a section view of the same, which sometimes is a lot of work to do such things in ArchiCAD. So it's easy that this can be able to do for you in just seconds. An architectural brief is something like this, yeah. So this is an architectural brief where I was told I was supposed to be. This proposal presents a functional, comfortable teacher staff room, whatever, how you're supposed to arrange things and all that. Now, it being able to give me the price and everything of how much it thinks it will cost, I think it's quite amazing. Amazing. Let's see this one. So it's done. See, it's black. Yeah, between black and the other one, which one do you like better? I think the other one was much better than the black one. I don't know, is my Windows active looking that way? Oh, I see. I don't know where these other lines came from. I thought they were not, they're this one. But yeah, so far it looks that way. So say I want to get a same image, but now from a different angle. Yeah, so let me download this one as well. 14 minutes already. Oh lord. I think I should end this one here. Then maybe I come next time to show you how you can be able to do consistency and stuff like that. But this one looks pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. Looks pretty cool. So between this and this, I think let's go with the timber one. This. Let's go with the timber one. So I want to delete this whatever here. So I just click on edit. Then I want to use AI and use this Lico icon here. So I bring it here and just make sure it's just engulfing that one only. And yeah, so it will do away with it, and then we'll save the image. While it's doing so, I was saying that this is an architectural brief. I don't know if I'd shown you, but it looks like this. So you can upload it here and it will give you the floor plan. So it gave me the floor plan with more information about how this project can be able to cost. So it just shows that Nano Banana is actually improving so fast, because last time it wasn't able to do this. And it can even do renders, because I've done renders for the same for this image. Then you send it to your client, and maybe your client sends you deposit before you begin working on the project finally, because some clients, they will have you spend a lot of your time and not pay you. So then now I can save as the original, or I can save as a copy. If you want to send to your client, I prefer that you send it as a copy and you call it like, you go and save it in the folder where you're working for your client. But let's just say tutor, so that it doesn't mess with the other one.